Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In today's lesson, you will learn about matching verbs to subjects in number and person. This is called subject and verb agreement. At the end of this lesson, you will complete exercises 1 to 5 to test your understanding of everything you've learned. The answer keys will be provided after you finish exercise 5. Let us begin. The subject-verb agreement means the subject and verb in a sentence must both be in agreement. The verb must match the subject in both number, singular or plural, and person, first, second, or third person. For example, she runs. She is one, so we add S to the basic verb run. They run. They is more than one, so we keep run without an S. In both sentences, the verb matches the subject. When using the present tense to describe actions occurring now, the verb typically does not change when referring to more than one person, place, or thing. For plural subjects such as we or they, the verb stays in its basic form. For example, in the following sentences, each verb is used in the basic form to refer to its present tense form. Let us read the sentences together. Ready? Let us begin. We run. They run. We help people. They help people. We sing songs. They sing songs. We jump rope. They jump rope. When using the present tense to describe actions happening right now, the verb may change depending on the subject. Specifically, you add S to the verb when the subject is singular, such as he, she, it. For example, in the following sentences, the basic verb is changed by adding S to form the present tense. Let us read the sentences together. Ready? Let us begin. He runs. She runs. It runs. She helps people. He helps people. It helps people. She sings songs. He sings songs. It sings songs. She jumps rope. He jumps rope. It jumps rope. Here's a rule to remember. Singular nouns require verbs that end in S or ES. Plural nouns that end in S or ES require verbs without S or ES. Let's look at the first sentence. The cheetah runs fast. Here we're talking about one cheetah, therefore the verb must end in S. The next sentence. The cheetahs run fast. Here we're talking about more than one cheetah. Therefore, the verb does not have an S or ES at the end of it. When a basic verb ends in SH, CH, X, Z, or S, you add ES to make it right for a singular subject. For example, in the first sentence, She washes the window. The verb wash ends with sh, therefore, we added es to the end of that verb. In the second sentence, he catches the ball. The verb catch ends in ch. Therefore, we added es to the end of the verb. In the third sentence, it fixes the car engine. The word fix ends in an x. Therefore, we added es to the verb. In the fourth sentence, a bee buzzes. The basic verb buzz ends with a z, therefore we added es. In the fifth sentence, the car passes on the left side of the road. The verb pass ends in an s, therefore we added es to the end of the verb to form the present tense. We will learn more about the sh and ch sounds and when to add es to verbs in future lessons. When writing or speaking about different people, the verb must agree with the number, singular or plural, and person, first, second, or third person. Changes to verbs occur when talking or writing about yourself. When you speak in the first person, we are referring to ourselves and often use the word I. For example, if I say, I am playing my guitar, I am talking about myself. It's like telling a story from your own point of view. You're the main character. Similarly, when we say something like, I am happy, you are talking about yourself. When we speak in the first person, we may also use the word we. For example, if I say we are running, I am referring to myself running with someone else. If you say I am eating watermelon, that's first person. If you say we are running, that's first person. I'm referring to myself running with someone else. The changes to verbs when talking or writing about yourself happen depending on the subject, who is doing the action. When using I, the verb is usually in the first person form. For example, I am playing my guitar. The verb am is used with I to show the present action. If you're talking about a group, including yourself, the verb changes to reflect that as well. In we are running, are is used with we, showing that the action is being done by more than one person, you and others. So the key is that when speaking in the first person, the verb changes to match whether it's just you, I am, or you and others, we are. Changes to the verbs are made when writing or speaking in the second person. Second person is when you're talking directly to someone and using the word you. It's like when I'm talking to you right now. I'm using you to make it about you. For example, you are a great friend. You can do it. So whenever you hear or see the word you, that's second person. It's just talking directly to the person you're speaking to. The changes to verbs when talking or writing about the second person happen by using the word you as the subject. When speaking directly to someone, the verb changes to fit with you, regardless of whether you're talking to one person or more than one person. For example, in the sentence, you are a great friend, the verb are is used with you. Similarly, in you can do it, the verb can fits with you. So when using the second person, the verb is typically in a form that matches you. It doesn't change based on whether you're talking to one person or more, and the verb stays the same. If you say, you are eating dinner, that's second person. Changes to the verbs are made when writing or speaking about other people and things. The changes to verbs when talking or writing about the third person happen by using words like he, she, it, or they as the subject. The verb changes to match the third person subject. For example, in she is running to the store, the verb is used with she. If you say he is eating lunch, the verb would still be is with he. For plural subjects like they, the verb might change, such as in they are going to the park, where are is used with they. So, when using the third person, the verb needs to match the subject in number and person, such as is with singular subjects, he, she, it, and are with plural subjects, they. If you say, he is eating raspberries, that's third person. Now, let us test our understanding of the lesson by doing exercises 1 to 5. Exercise 1. Choose the correct verb, fill in the blanks. We have the verb run, runs, running. We have the verb helps, help. We have the verb sings, sing. We have the verbs jumps, jump. Pause the video as needed to work at your own pace. Exercise 2. In 3 sentences, the verb is written incorrectly. Rewrite the incorrect sentences using the correct verb form. The first sentence reads, Mom run every morning. Second sentence, they run every morning. Third sentence, he eat lunch in school. Fourth sentence, the robot catches the ball. Pause the video as needed to work at your own pace. Exercise 3. Choose the correct answers. Question 1. When you are writing or speaking about yourself, which subject pronoun do you use? You can choose the pronoun from among the pronouns that are given, which are I, you, she, he, it, we, they. Number 2, when you are writing or speaking to someone else, which subject pronoun do you use? You can choose from among the pronouns I, you, she, he, it, we, they. Number 3, when you are writing or speaking about other people or things, which subject pronouns do you use? You can choose from among I, we, you, she, he, it, they. Please pause the video as needed to work at your own pace. Exercise 4. Write the correct answer. Number 1. When you are speaking, are you using the first person, second person, or third person? Number 2. If you are speaking to someone, is that person in the first person, second person, or third person? Number 3. If you are speaking about someone else, is that person or group in the first person, second person, or third person? Please pause the video as needed to work at your own pace. Exercise 5. Use the verb in a sentence with as many subject pronouns as possible, making sure the verb and subject agree in number and person. Here's an example of how you can apply the instructions. The verb is run. Here are the sentences that can be formed by using the verb run. I run fast. You run fast. He runs fast. She runs fast. It runs fast. We run fast. They run fast. Now follow the instructions using the verb sing. Please pause the video as needed to work at your own pace. Here is exercise 1 answer key. Let's read the sentences that have the correct answers. 1. I am running. 2. She runs. 3. They run. 4. We run. 5. We are running. 6. We help people. 7. They help people. 8. We sing songs. 9. They sing songs. 10. We jump rope. 11. They jump rope. 12. She sings songs. Here is the answer key to exercise 2. Let's read the 3 sentences that needed to be rewritten. Number 1. Mom runs every morning. Number 3. He eats lunch at school. Number 4. The robot catches the ball. Here is the answer key to exercise 3. Let us read the sentences with the correct answers. Number 1. When you are writing or speaking about yourself, the correct subject pronoun is I. Number 2. When you are writing or speaking to someone else, the correct subject pronoun is you. Number 3. When you are writing or speaking about other people or things, the correct subject pronouns are she, he, it, they. Here is the answer key to exercise 4. The correct answers are 1. When you are speaking, you are using the first person. 2. If you are speaking to someone, that person is in the second person. Number 3, if you are speaking about someone else, that person or group is in the third person. Answer key to exercise 5. For exercise 5, you should have written 7 sentences, and they are: 1. I sing songs. 2. You sing songs. 3. He sings songs. 4. She sings songs. 5. It sings songs. 6. We sing songs. 7. They sing songs. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 9. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day to review this lesson, to get a full understanding of subject and verb agreements. If you find it difficult to understand any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you understand the lesson and are able to do the exercises with ease. When you are able to understand the lesson and do the exercises with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning this interactive lesson, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.